I'm here to tell you that your author platform matters. I'm going to talk about two essential pieces that you need for a successful book launch and for a successful book promotion. And the first one is a website. I was teaching the other day, we were talking about book launches, and this new gentleman came to the workshop, and he was listening, and at the end he said, I'm really glad I came because I wasn't going to have a website. I didn't think I needed a website to sell my book. I'm going to have a website now. I'm really glad he showed up because now he's going to have a website. I think websites are really important. Whether you have a business and you have a book page, or whether you are a dedicated author and that's what you do and you sell your books, and you have an author website with several books on it, doesn't matter. If you have a book, you want a website. I think everyone wants a website in today's world, personally, because it is something you own. I think of it as your castle. This is your home. This is where you invite people back to. And if Facebook goes down, you can still put, let's say you have an event, Facebook goes down, you can put something on your website. People go, oh, the Facebook's down. How do I get information to the event? Boom, it's on your website. You own and control your website. You do not own TikTok. You do not own Facebook. You do not own YouTube. You do not own the podcasts that you're interviewed on. The only thing you can guarantee is your website. And so you want a good website that's on brand with a professional design, user-friendly, homepage. People get there and they know exactly what it's about. You have an author page, book pages, about pages, contact pages, or whatever you want, but you want to have a website so that you have a place that people can always come if they're looking for you. No matter what new promotion idea comes and goes. And of course, you can use all of those other things to drive traffic to your website. That's the point. But they don't have to rely on that to find you if they want you. The second thing I want you to have, so important, is an email list. And it's for all the same reasons you want to have your own website. This is you own it. Somebody gives you their email, they are giving you permission to communicate with them, to pop into their inbox. On social media, maybe you don't come up in their feed and they never see anything about you. And you kind of disappear and they forget about you. But if they've given you your email, if they've given you their email, then you can communicate with them at any time. So you want to have a form on your website where people can put their name and their email and they get something free. It could be the first chapter, some exclusive content, and then you engage with those email subscribers. You build a relationship. It's not people think, oh, it's just one way. No, they can reply to you. That's how it works. When you have an email provider, and I say in my email sometimes, let me know what's going on, reply back. And I love it when people reply back. Or if I'm making, if I'm suggesting an event or something, sometimes people email back saying, oh, I don't quite know, this is a question, and they can ask me questions and I can help them. That's the point, to build a relationship. So you want to engage with your email subscribers on a regular basis, regular newsletters, regular updates. And when I say regular, I don't mean every day or every week. I know authors who send a monthly update newsletter, and that's enough. They talk about what they've been doing that month, what they've been writing, all of those things, right? You use all those other things, YouTube, podcast, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all those things, to bring people to your website and to get them onto your email list, so that if all those other things disappear, you always have a way to communicate with the people who are interested in your work. So now we've come with that, you're going to ask me, okay, what's next? What should I do? So if you do not have even a basic website, these are your next 3 steps. 1, choose a website builder. It could be WordPress or Wix or Squarespace. I use WordPress. 2, create the essential pages. You want a home page, a book page, author page, contact page, anything else you want. but at least start with those 4 basic. You can grow as you go. You don't have to have this perfect, beautiful 3 million page website up. Start with 4 pages. Start somewhere. And then ask for feedback. Book a call with me. I'll put the link in the description. Book a call with me and ask for feedback on your website. Get some feedback. And if you're not sure how to get feedback from places other than me, still book a call with me and we can talk about that. Right. What if you don't have an email list? What are those first 3 steps? 1, choose an email provider. Yes, you could use your email, but then you're probably not going to be following the laws. Email providers really help you follow the now complex laws around sending emails. So when people ask me, I say, go check out ConvertKit because it's actually made for creatives. So that might be somewhere you want to start. And I know that you can start for free. They actually have a pretty good free starter for creatives. And as you grow, you can grow into a paid plan. Then you want to create a reader magnet. That's step number 2. It could be the first page, the first chapter of your book. It could be some exclusive content. Whatever it is, you want to create a reader magnet that somebody will say, I want that and I'm willing to give you my email. And then 3, once you have that, once you have that, you want to create a sign up form. Now you're going to do that through your provider. So for example, if you have ConvertKit, you'll go into ConvertKit, you'll create a form that says name, email, and there's a button submit or give me my first chapter or whatever it is. And that you put on your website. And when people see it, they can fill it out, hit submit. They get their freebie, you get the email, and now you can start building a relationship with them. That is what you want to do. Before you think to promote on YouTube, before you think to promote on Facebook, before you think to promote on podcasts, build your website, build your email list. An email list of 5 is an email list. You start sending newsletters immediately. If you have any questions, of course, book a call with me. I'm always happy to help you out.